welcome to my YouTube channel. Wrap the benefits. Viewers, sunburn is a type of skin damage caused by exposure to ultraviolet B rays. Sunburn skin becomes red, painful, hot, and sensitive. Here are some home remedies that can help with sun tanning. Turmeric and milk. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with enough milk to form a paste. Apply it to the affected skin and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing off. Cucumber and yogurt. Grate a cucumber and mix it with plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to the skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Aloe vera. Apply aloe vera gel directly to the skin to soothe and calm sunburned skin. Coconut oil. Apply coconut oil to the skin to moisturize and nourish it. Oatmeal bath. Add oatmeal to your bath water to soothe and relieve sunburned skin. Lemon juice and sugar. Mix equal part lemon juice and sugar to create a natural exfoliant. Gently scrub the mixture onto the skin and rinse off. Rose water and glycerine. Mix equal part rose water and glycerine and apply it to the skin to soothe and moisturize. Sandalwood paste. Apply sandalwood paste to the skin to cool and soothe it. Tomato and yogurt. Mix equal part tomato juice and yogurt and apply it to the skin to reduce tanning. Honey and yogurt. Mix equal parts honey and yogurt and apply it to the skin to moisturize and nourish it. Remember to always wear sunscreen and protective clothing when going out in the sun to prevent sunburn and tanning. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.